Okay. Looks like we're good. Okay, we're all good to go. Fantastic. Alright, folks, that was not my best landing. That was not my best landing, folks. But fortunately, it was alright. It was safe, right? If it's a safe landing, well, then it's a pretty good landing. Let's think. Still recording? Yes, still recording. Alright, folks, there she is. There's the sexy little radio that comes with her. There's your 3 flight mode switch. This knife used to be for flaps. There's my timer. We've got 7 minutes up. There's your... Alright, folks, thanks for watching. Here. Can try those out. They definitely have orientation, even during the day. Yeah, even the day location. Yeah? Yeah. Alright. A little bit of grass in that one. Thanks for watching. This is going to control some planes. RC. Your host.